Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet skirt designs. Beautiful skirts, beautiful designs. Very amazing, colorful crochet skirt designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos and share to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, will remember. Fear and by Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Bye bye.